Our menu for today is buttered garlic shrimps with asparagus pasta. That's one of my husband's favorite. It's really quick and easy. This is the noodles, the shrimp, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's optional. If you want to add more salt, you can. 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper, the garlic, lemon zest, butter, lemon, and asparagus. Garlic. Pepper. The pasta. And parsley. Lemon. Okay, and I think it's done. All right. And then Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Here are our buttered garlic shrimps pasta.
Yay!
Right, and it's
Looks delicious.
It's what?
Looks syrup.
It's what?
It's delicious!
It's Cayman
Tequila
time.
time!
And
That's it first.
we
Okay.
got our son here as a guest taster for the first time. And we're gonna
Taste it.
time to Cayman. Oh.
It's good.
What do you think?
Delicious, baby.
Yeah?
Molly.
What's Molly?
Lame.
Delicious. Yeah.
Lame.
Lami? Lami. Oh, I put a K on it. I do that
Alright
sometimes.
guys, it's really tasty and delicious.
Yep, it's good.
Why didn't you guys do the mukbang?
I need more.
It's
Okay.
very delicious.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Until next time. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.